New to the world of crypto and not sure where to start? Then this video is just for you. I'll guide you step by step how to set up your wallet, buy your first crypto, and choose the right exchange. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to make your first confident purchase. So stay with me till the end. Part 1. Setting up your crypto wallet. The first step to entering the crypto market is creating a wallet, a place to safely store your digital assets. If you're a beginner, these wallets are great options. Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinomi. Pro tip: always write down your recovery phrase and store it in a secure place. If you lose it, there's no way to recover your funds. Your entire crypto could be gone forever. Part 2. International crypto exchanges. To buy cryptocurrencies, you can use well-known global exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, OKX, Bybit. These platforms offer a wide variety of coins and powerful trading tools. Important note: since Iran is under sanctions, you'll need to use a VPN or VPS to access these platforms securely. Always follow safety guidelines to protect your account. Part 3. Iranian crypto exchanges. If you prefer using Iranian Rial and want a simpler experience, local exchanges can be a good option. Nobitex, Wallex, Ramzinex, OK Exchange. Their platforms are user-friendly and great for beginners. Just keep in mind, some features may be limited compared to international exchanges. Part 4. How to buy crypto. Now it's time to make your first purchase. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Sign up on a crypto exchange. 2. Complete the identity verification (KYC). 3. Connect your wallet. 4. Enter the amount of crypto you want to buy. Pro tip: after buying, always transfer your assets to your personal wallet for better security and peace of mind. Part 5. Beginner-friendly cryptocurrencies to start with. So, what should you buy first? Here are some well-known and relatively low-risk options for beginners. Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto, trusted and established. Ethereum, ETH, the leading smart contract platform. Binance Coin, BNB, the native token of Binance Exchange. Polygon, Matic, fast and low fee layer 2 solution. Arbitrum, RB, a popular choice for layer 2 networks. These are just suggestions to help you start. Always do your own research before investing. Alright, now you know how to get started in crypto and make your very first purchase. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In upcoming videos, I'll be sharing tips, analysis, and how to avoid common mistakes. So stay tuned.